You love that?
Yeah.
Yay!
Kaden, did you like that?
Again? Let's go. Do you want me to pull you up the hill? Do you want to sit on the sled? I'll pull you up. Here, sit right here. Sit right here, and I'll pull you up. Sit and look, and I'll push you like this. Now you've got marshmallow. Come with Daddy? What? Don't worry about the snow on your foot. Come in. Come up. You want to walk? Carry you back up? We'll do it again. Come on. Don't worry about the snow on your foot. You're going to get covered in snow.